Origin sneak peek mouth cards. Today we have our next Origin sneak peek. The mouth cards internal tests for Origin are going well and we're getting increasingly excited for launch. We love the theory crafting you all have been putting out, and it definitely informed some of our team building over the weekend. Again, please note the cards are dynamic and will change over time based on feedback from the community and data we collect around relative power. Do not make financial decisions based on these teasers. They are meant to serve as a taste of what's to come in Origin and allow you all to start theory crafting. Many of you requested high resolution copies of the artwork, so we have compiled a drive with the art. Here are the Origins mouth cards. This one lamb, the catfish from the aquatic cards, rescue fish, still have a rescue fish, piranha, and the beast card is the nutcracker, the goda, the axie keys, confident. The plant cards is serious, the zigzag, the herbivore, and the silence whisper. The bird card, double talk, peacemaker, little owl, hungry bird. And the bag card, mosquito, pincer, cute bunny. It's not cute though. Square teeth, reptile card, Kotaro, still Kotaro, razor bite, tiny turtle, nice time, toothless bite. I think that's it. Until the next upcoming videos of Axie Origin. Bye.